Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to replace this mirror glass because it's starting to delaminate. It's a little bit right on the edge. These can get really bad to the point where you can't even see out of them. So we're going to replace this one right now. I'm going to start by taking some masking tape. I'm going to cover the mirror glass with the masking tape. This way if it breaks while I'm taking it off, I don't have a bunch of little pieces of glass going everywhere. It doesn't matter what kind of masking tape you use, we just happen to have this kind. Take a plastic prying tool, you can get this from 1aauto.com, and we'll get it underneath the edge. And then we're going to pry it up and out. It's going to move on the motor a little bit. With a little bit of force, it's going to pop off the clips. So you're basically just popping it off back here. There's two wires that are for the heated element, so we're going to pull those off. Carefully wiggle them off. Take the new mirror glass, hook up the heated element, just push these right back over. Line this up so there's these wider clip parts that are on the back of the mirror. I'm going to line up with these four little posts on the motor part. Just kind of get it in place. Give it a good push, and it's now clicked into place. You can go back inside the car and readjust your mirror with your mirror switch. The passenger side procedure will be identical.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.